Hi, I'm Michelle, and this is my vegan kitchen. It's that time of the year where we've got a lot of corn. And what could we do with it? Well, you could dry it and make some cute decorations, but after you've got a whole pot full, what else could you do? Well, you could make some cornbread or some corn cakes, or you could make some corn soup. Everybody loves a good corn soup. I've got children, I've got adults. Most important of all is to make sure that your corn is non-GMO. Now this is non-GMO organic corn, and we're going to use this today to make our corn soup. So let's get started. Now I've already cut off the sides of the corn here so it's easier to keep stable. Just get a nice big plate, nice big knife, and cut the corn. And what we're going to do now is we're going to put some olive oil into the pan and heat it up. And in goes the onion and the garlic. Just saute that until it's nice and brown. And then we put in the corn, all of it. Of course, some black pepper, some salt, and just fry it up a little bit. And what we're going to do is just add a little bit of water. This is really a very easy corn soup. I mean, corn is lovely by itself, so you don't have to add a lot of things to make it taste good. And we're just going to boil that for about 5 minutes or so. I'm just going to taste this. Corn has a lovely buttery taste, and as soon as you can taste that in the water, then it's more or less ready. It's about 5 minutes. Nearly done. And what we need to do is we need to dump this mixture into our blender. And we've got to use coconut milk. I use 100% coconut milk, so you really have to shake it well because the fat and the coconut milk will separate. I don't like additives, so just buy 100%, it does say 100% coconut milk, and shake it well before you cut it open. And what we're going to do is add about half of the box into the blender and put on the lid. After that's blended very well now. We're just going to put it back into the original pan. Right, now we're just going to turn up the heat again, just to reduce the water a little bit more because it's a little bit too watery. So we're just going to boil it for another 5 minutes or so. And in the meantime, you can taste it. Much better. Thank you for joining us on Michel's Kitchen. It's easy to make and delicious. Sit back and relax and enjoy.